This is a demonstration of how you get your Fronimo set up so you can use it conveniently. First of all, I will set the options to play the repeat and make sure that this isn't set because that can really screw you up. And the next thing I do is set my shortcut keys because these are extremely useful. To do that, I right-click here and hit Customize. This is not a very intuitively obvious way to do this, but this is how you do it. You set you see you've got these different headers here, and they are reflected here under Customize. So you hit Edit, and it gives you all the editing commands that you could possibly do a shortcut for. But actually, you're going to go onto the keyboard, do the same thing, and look under Edit, and then down to V for verify. There it is. Measure length. You see, we already have that as Alt plus V. If you want to set a shortcut key, you click in here, you do the key, in this case Alt V, and it's already assigned there, but if it weren't, then you'd hit Assign, and you'd be done with that. So the next one you want is Rebeam Notes. That takes all the notes and beams them in some sort of logical way. And again, you go in here, you press your shortcut key, you hit Assign, done deal. And then the other one I use is under Edit is Section Annotations, because this is where I keep all my database stuff. I use Control I for info. And again, I use Alt I and Assign. Then when I'm done with the edit, I'll move over to the one that I find helpful. Alt F, page editing mode. This shifts back and forth between page editing and the line editing, which you just have a single line like this. And there's advantages to editing in one or the other. I usually start with the line editor, and then when it gets to be time to format things, I go with the page editing. So I do Control or Alt F for that. Those are the shortcut keys that I find extremely convenient. So when you're done assigning all those, you close out of here and you're ready to roll. So then if I go Alt F, it takes me to where it's just a single line or the whole thing. And that's really useful. Section annotations gives me the opportunity to put in database entries, and there's type, difficulty, key, and ensemble or instrument. And this gives all the data connected to this particular piece. And so that's a really useful thing. Just Control I goes into that. Those are the main shortcut keys that I use, so I recommend them. Anyway, that's it for this particular video.